guys, good afternoon. So today is what, Tuesday, February 5th. I didn't even get to vlog from morning because I just been home getting some of my assignments done. I have a late class tonight, so I just wanted to come and vlog. I just dropped the kids them to school this morning. Yeah, so all I did, guys, was I just dropped the kids them to school, and that was pretty much it. So when I came home and I started doing my assignments that I have to finish up. I have a couple that's due on the 15th. I've got a couple of them done, but I still have a couple more that's due, and I want to get them done and out the way. And since I don't have class until later on tonight, I figure I will get that done. So I'm just here actually just seasoning up some chicken breast and chicken wing I'm making for dinner. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm making, and I decided I'm gonna make these little, let me pour out the water. Yeah, so I just decided to make these little potatoes. So I'm just gonna make some mashed potato and with some vegetables, and I'm gonna also make these. I haven't made any of these in a long time, so I'm gonna do the Uncle Ben's rice, just to have something different from just regular white rice. So that's what I decided that I was going to go make for dinner. Turn the oven on because the kids said they love when I make jerk chicken wings. So I figured I'll get dinner prepped done a little bit early before I leave. My class doesn't start till 5, so I gotta go really late class today. So at least like when my class starts this late, it kind of give me a time to do what I needed to do through the day, get whatever running I have to do around through the day done. So yes, I wanted to check in with you guys. I hope you guys are having a good day. So far my day has been good, very productive, I must say. Getting a lot of work done, getting my exercise in, so I can't complain. Had a very productive day, had some few business calls that I had to make, which I was able to get those done, so I'm glad they're done out the way. And yeah, so I'm just seasoning up my chicken here. I still got my vegetables and stuff, like I gotta cut up to go with the chicken breasts. So yeah, for those who don't know, my husband, he doesn't eat any part of the meat but the breasts of a chicken. So it's just the chicken breast part he usually eats. So like me, I'm a leg and thigh girl, but I do like wings, so I love wings, and he never does. So anytime I do like different parts of the meat, I always got to make sure that I have breasts just for him alone. Well, and if I want some, and anybody else want it, but the kids, them, they love the wings. So that's what I am doing. I can't believe this is what, our second? Well, our first week of February already, and it's almost over. Tomorrow is what, Wednesday? So by the time you guys are actually going to probably see this vlog is tomorrow, because I'm going to put it up. So yeah, so I'll definitely put this vlog up. Yeah, so that is quite crazy. Well, time is flying. I didn't even know if the groundhog saw his shadow, because if that's the case, that means we're supposed to have an early spring. I hope we do. Yesterday felt like spring. Me and the kids then were actually outside washing the car, because yeah, our car has not been washed in a while, and vacuum and give it a nice thorough cleaning. So that was nice and fun. We did that as Mario slept, because he had to get up and go to work that evening. So I don't know, he's back on nights for now, so he's in between nights and day. So he's on nights, I guess, this week. So, but that's okay. That is okay. I don't know whether I rather him on nights or on days. I think I do rather him on days, because then everybody's home together as a family, and yes, we eat together and we go to bed together, as opposing to him leaving after dinner, like, you know, and I feel like maybe sometimes dinner is rush. So yeah, this is the jerk seasoning I use. I call it a knockoff jerk, but it does the trick, right? Usually if my mom back home, she makes her jerk seasoning from scratch, right? Even just her marinated sauce, like to marinate her meat and stuff, she makes it from scratch, which is nice. Because that bad boy it has a nice kick to it when she makes it. So, but, and of course I gotta put my hot sauce. My husband doesn't, he can't handle pepper, but me and the kids them can. So I like to give it a little bit extra, a little bit of a kick. Because the jerk sauce don't make it spicy enough. So, but can't make it go to waste. It's pretty much done. So I'm just gonna shake whatever's left in the bottle. And I love this. Actually, this is really hot, which is nice. I like that. I really like it.
I'm gonna take the test and get my response, and then
So there. So basically, I'm going to start everything. I'm doing everything. Seasoned up with the meat. I probably just gotta get the potatoes and bell peppers and stuff all cut up to go with the chicken breast. So I'm gonna do that. But as for the jerk wings, they are ready and in the dish to go. I can put those in the oven now. The oven's on. So I'm gonna put those in. I'm hoping to be finished cooking dinner early. I don't want to be cooking dinner late today. So that way the kids them can actually get to eat. They'll have an early dinner before I leave, and maybe I'll eat dinner before I leave or when I get back from school. It depends. That one I'm still debating on. Yeah, so I'm just about to go cut up the, let me grab the cutting board. So I'm gonna cut up the vegetables and stuff and just prepared everything for the breast, because what's left in here is the chicken breast. So I'm gonna cut up all the ingredients that need to go with it and stuff like that, and then I'm going to head out to grab the kids from school, and yeah, come back. So hopefully in time I'll have the stuff pretty much almost ready. Yeah, everything will probably be almost ready by the time they get back. So yeah.
So I got my chef in the building for the night. Viv, where are you going? You're making the dirty love. Look, Mario.
Boy, I cook some of
Oh, some of what?
What? Cook some more carrots. You're gonna make carrot juice? I have to cook carrot juice, Mommy. You're not Mama.
Yeah,
You
you
make carrot juice?
You go make carrot juice?
No, I'm
I
not.
thought
Long
some
time I
more.
haven't had carrot juice. Listen, Mom, play now.
Me, you know what?
Yeah, you want? Give me this one. Then pizza.
Huh?
I need some. No, me go
Stop it. Mario, see, look. What you make? See, you want to make Mario, you want to cool in the oven? The chicken that's in the oven. Can you check on it? Mario, are you looking about the meat there? It needs to pull out. Put on the gloves and pull it out.
go pop by your face, man.
Why does your face look like that? India, come now. Kita come in here. What do you mean no? Here, look on it. I need to see if the gravy dry out. So at least he's in the thing helping.
But it's over here that it eats, yeah?
Put it here, son. Look at my jerk wing, guys. Ooh, that looks so yummy. Here you both feel. Aren't you eating something already? Yeah, but eat.
Oh, yeah. Don't touch it.
You really call yourself one guy in every video of you.
No! I want to take up a muffin.
You really call yourself one guy. Would I never let nobody hear me call?
Yeah, black mysterious bubble.
Is that finished?
Oh gosh. So at least I got my chef out in the building. My changes, and hubby said he wants white rice, so I'm just gonna make the white rice and done and get it out the way. But we got the potatoes on to make the mashed potatoes. Unfortunately, I didn't even end up going to school because it was had so much things to do, so that's okay. But I got my assignment done, which I'm glad for. So that's one down. I have what, 2 more or 1 more to go. Thank God. Dinner is finished, guys. So this is what Memphis is having. He's having some mashed potatoes, rice, and he's having jerk chicken and this one. So it's the same thing. So that's pretty much it. We're just going to have dinner and I'm going to call it a night. So I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys. Guys, good morning and welcome back. It is a crazy morning so far, but a good one. I woke up to a bunch of snow. It's still snowing. It's been snowing since what, the other day.